What is going on, guys? Human Carjack here, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install the Perrin shifter stop for the 2022 and up WRX. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and place the vehicle in neutral, and we're going to go ahead and unscrew the shift knob. Then we're going to go ahead and grab this part of the trim over here. We're going to place our finger in, we're going to pull up. Okay, just like that. We're going to pull it up and over. Okay, so we've got two screws over here. These are 10 millimeters. We've got our 10 millimeter impact gun. So we're going to go ahead and undo these. And let's move this into 5th gear so we can get the bottom bolt out. Place that to the side. So from factory, we do have a shifter stop mount over here for the 5th and 6th gear, and this is going to be essentially for 1st and 2nd gear. The kit also came with screws, washers, and an Allen key. These washers are meant to go here and here by these nuts, but you don't necessarily have to use them, so we're going to leave that to the side for now. So instead, we're going to take our Perrin shifter stop, we're going to put it right over here, and then we're going to go ahead and thread these screws in right over here. So we've got them only slightly tightened, so we're going to go ahead and shift this all the way to the left, and then we're going to go ahead and play around with it. This is a bit of trial and error, so we're going to go ahead and see where we can position this and if we can get into every gear. So I'm going to start first in 1st gear, right? So if this right here is the rightmost position where it's touching, I want to give this a little bit of play to the left. Now there's a bit of a gap, go a little bit more. Yeah, that should be good. And let's see 2nd gear. That's 2nd. A little bit of a gap. Let's try again. Let's say right around there. Okay, let's try 1st gear. So that's 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Alright, let's try reverse lockout. So we're going to pull this up and down to the left, or down to the right rather. Looks pretty good. So now we're just going to reinstall everything. Alright, now we're going to put the trim back on, slide it through. Alright, and last but not least, we're going to put our shift knob back on. Okay, and let's test out the throws. So we've got 1st gear there, not too much slop. 2nd gear, then we got 5th, still a little bit. I kind of wanted to keep it kind of like how it felt stock, and then 6th. So not terrible, pretty good. 1st and 2nd definitely feel a lot tighter, a lot notchier. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Peace.